Romaine with Cheerful Greetings, and today we're going to do another tutorial on my book of pockets, and this is pocket I, J, and K. For the first pocket, I've already prepared my page a little bit so the video won't be so long. The pages in this book are put together actually with two pages connected back to back, and then with the ends, the edge connecting over the spine. So I put tape around my page so it will stick to the page behind it. This strip I have put on because I want to have a hidden pocket. I will take my page and put it down, and this part will be left open. I did not have a strip of tape down this side. So I have a hidden pocket that will go through here, and it will bump up against my tape. It won't go any further. And that is my pocket I. A very quick, a very easy pocket to make. Next, I have a pocket that's called a burrito. At least that's what another designer called it. And we will see about making one of those. So let's begin. You take your square. In my case, I have one side coffee stained and stamped, and the other side is plain. It just happened that this piece has a little flaw on it, but we won't even notice that by the time we get through here. And I bring one side to the center and bring the other side to the center. And I press it down. Now, before I glue anything, I'm going to distress it. These are really quick pockets to make. Now, I'm going to distress the other side. In this particular case, I could fold my paper this way and have the print being shown, or I can fold it this way and have the solid color, my main color showing. And in this case, I think I'm going to do the solid since my background has a lot of print on it. So after I fold it over again and kind of match up the sides, and you can make it as wide or as narrow as you want. I'm trying to fold it so it's halfway even. Okay. After you fold it where you want, you can go back and take your distressed ink and do this area here, the part that's folded. You do this to make it pop. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is take my glue, and I'm going to put just a little dab on one side. And hold it down till it sets up. Or I can make it skinny. It depends on what all you're going to be putting in it. And I'm going to, this looks like it just about matches my paper here. It's about the same size. I think what I'm going to do is have it at an angle. Let's see. I'm going to put it at an angle. And we'll put the items in this way. And we'll put them items that are wide enough so that they hold themselves. I'm going to put just a little more glue here on the tip. I didn't get much on the tip of the... Usually you put your glue on the top piece, and I put it on the bottom this time by mistake. Okay, now it's glued. And I have some little tags that can go inside, and they just about fit. My glue hasn't set up yet. And I can do a couple this direction. And that's the way it goes. Now I'm going to put it on my page. I'm going to take some glue and do the outer edge. Of my pocket. I'm going to glue it like this. Now that I have it done, I'm going to see about putting a little decoration on the top of my pocket. And let me see what I can find. Okay, I have found a few things here. I have a copper looking pine cone. That doesn't show up very well. It has gold looking pine cone. I've got this shiny leaf. I like that. We shall put that on. And I think I'll put a few leaves around it. That way it'll be kind of like a flower. Okay. Got too much glue coming out, but we'll put it, layer them on top of each other. And hopefully that'll work. And then I'll put my shiny stone leaf, and since I've got a little extra glue, I'll just blot that off. This dries clear, and so we won't even notice. So the pocket that comes in from the side is pocket I, and this is pocket J, the burrito pocket. And as I said, we can put little tags in it. I have a couple here that I've made. That'll fit in it. We'll put one in from this direction. And it will open up just enough that we can put two on each side. And there is my pocket. Now we shall do the third pocket for today, and that's going to be K, pocket K, and then I'll be pretty much through with my book of pockets. So let me get my stuff together and we will do my third pocket that will go on this page. Okay, we're getting ready to do pocket K right now. This one is too easy to do. But anyway, this one is our burrito pocket. So why don't we go with a taco pocket? And the simple thing about this is the only thing you have to do is take a doily or any kind of circle, fold it into about 2/3 to 1/3. I'll fold about 1/3 up, I guess, and press it. This one I have stained with coffee stain. And then on each side, you want to bend the side over just a little bit, and then this side over a little bit. And then you're going to take your glue. You put just a little dab of glue there on the fold, on each side. And then you hold it for a minute because it doesn't take long for this glue to set up. I glued the whole thing down. I don't need a whole lot of glue. I glue the whole thing down on my page. And now you have made, let's turn my tag over this way. Now you have made a taco pocket. I'm going to put just a little decoration on this one. Why don't we put the pine cone on this, since we didn't get to put it on the burrito one. And let's see which one I wanted to put. I think I'll put the little gold one. And so that it will match the other one on this page, we'll put a couple leaves on it. Okay, now we have our taco pocket and our burrito pocket, and the pocket that is hidden away between the two pages, or two sides of the page. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you will, make a comment as to which pocket you like. This one is pocket K, and this is pocket J, and the one in between was pocket I. Let me know which of the pockets in my series that you like the best and that you will find that you will be doing in the future. If you will, please come back and see me again, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a great crafting day. Bye.